वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू रियल प्रॉपर्टीज रियल व्हिडिओज. आमच्या चॅनलवर आपले स्वागत आहे. नाउ टुडेज व्हिडिओ आय एम नॉट शोइंग यू एनी प्रॉपर्टी बट आय एम गिविंग यू some basic info about the land which are cheap land and land which are in bulk. Roads every day I get around 10 to 20 enquiries from the valuable clients who are seeking to buy 100 plus acres of land. They have many dreams, many vision that they will do the organic farming, they will do the spice plantation, they will do the mango plantation, they will do the cashew plantation, they will do the bamboo, and many more ideas. These people, they want 100, 200, 500 acres. Now, the people have the budget of 1 to 2 lakhs per acre. त्याच्यामध्ये मला फोनवरच लोकांच्या एक्सपेक्टेशन येतात. द लँड शुड बी फ्लॅट, द लँड शुड बी टचिंग द टार रोड, द लँड शुड हॅव रिव्हर, इट शुड हॅव बॅक वॉटर, 12 months water should be there, the land should be completely a soil type, the land should not have laterite किंवा लँडमध्ये कातळ नको, प्लेन हवं. दे हॅव मेनी एक्सपेक्टेशन. नाव हॅव यू एवर थॉट की आपण जेव्हा एक्सपेक्ट करतो 1 and 2 lakhs rupees acre, डू यू थिंक लॉजिकली दॅट 2 लाखामध्ये काय मिळणार आहे आपल्याला? इज इट रिअली पॉसिबल? डू यू गेट इवन ए हाफ गुंठा ऑफ लँड ऑफ 2 acre in 2 lakhs rupees in any of the even tier 3 cities of, or even small villages also, anywhere? You yourself will have the answer yes or no. तर जेव्हा आपण एक्सपेक्ट करतो की 1.5 लाखामध्ये 2 लाखामध्ये टेबल लँड, टार रोड, वॉटर टच, क्लिअर टायटल, सिंगल ओनर, इज इट रिअली पॉसिबल? नाउ आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इन दिस की 1.5 ते 2 लाख बजेट असणाऱ्या लोकांना काय मिळू शकतं इन दिस बजेट. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर द लँड in this kind of budget, 1.5 to 2 lakhs. Number 1, the land will be 60 to 70% on the hill. खालचा लेवल आणि टॉपमोस्ट लेवल. In that you will have minimum 150 to 200 meters of height difference. Mostly this kind of land does not have clear connectivity. टार रोड तर अजिबातच मिळणार नाही आहे. The land is normally 4 to 5 kilometers or even 10 kilometers from the basic tar road. Even to go to the property, you will have to go through maybe the very स्टीफ काइंड ऑफ स्लोप. कदाचित तिथे ड्राईव्ह करताना तुम्हाला भीती वाटेल, तुमचे स्टेअरिंगवरचे हात थरथरायला लागतील, युअर लेग विल स्टार्ट शेकिंग सीइंग द स्टीफ स्लोप. You will have to go to that land, mostly keeping your vehicle on gear 1 only. After doing that you can reach to the base of the land. From that place your journey actually will start. तुम्हाला पायी you will have to go walking minimum 30 to 40 minutes, and then the land will start, and then you will have to climb the hill. Many times the hill, at the top of the hill also, you will not get the tabletop. It is a slopey, even it start coming down. The land is 25 to 30%, it is a laterite stone. The groundwater is the only source of water available. In most of those land, the water view is seen as a scenic beauty. You can see the water, which is 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer. You can see the view, but you can't actually use the water for your project. The land development cost in that case is also good amount. You will have to make the tar road to go to that place. You will have to cut the mountain by JCB, and you may have to do the steps if you want to make the cultivation over there. Now this is the actual status. Now regarding the acquisition, now 100 acre, 200 acre plus land is mostly owned by 50-100 people. त्या लोकांचा सगळ्यांशी MOU करून, वारस तपास करून, सगळ्यांची संमती घेऊन MOU करून मगच ही जागा आपल्याला घेता येते. So if you are expecting that I am having a budget of 1.5, the land some broker has shown me, this is a land, you give the check of 1.5 and next day the property will be on your name. It will never happen. Don't be in the sweet dream. It is not a builder's flat where everything groundwork is done. If the land is already segregator, clear title done, single or two name is done, title search report is done, the person who has already accumulated will definitely add his profit into that. Every factor counts. जर नदीला लागून असेल त्याची किंमत थोडं वाढेल. If it is touching the tar road, again the price will go. जर ती फ्लॅट लँड असेल परत त्याची किंमत वाढेल. If the land is already under cultivation, भात शेती असेल किंवा ऑलरेडी फ्रूट बेरिंग असेल त्याची किंमत अजून वाढेल. If there are already the mango orchard or cashew trees, the rate will again go. So I request all those people who are searching left, right and central to the web, 100 एकड़ जगह चाहिए, 200 एकड़ चाहिए, 500 एकड़ चाहिए, मेरे पास पैसा है, मुझे 1.5 लाख में चाहिए, 2 लाख में चाहिए, किधर से भी जाओ, you should be mentally prepared to see all these conditions before you start. Hope I have given you the basic idea about the 100 plus acre land, and when you go for searching 100 plus acre land, be prepared for all these things. Thank you.